Check it out. Our country now boasts 131 specialty centers that bring top-notch care right to the doorstep of rural areas. No more long drives to the big city for expert treatment. We didn't stop there. We blew the doors wide open for doctors to the barrios, stretching our reach to 204 towns and counting. Our promise is to keep backing this fantastic initiative until every nook and cranny in each barangay has a trustworthy medical hero. All thanks to the efforts of the government led by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.
Noong August 24, 2023, pinirmahan ko ang Republic Act number 11959, known as the Regional Specialty Centers Act. Ito yung mga ating specialty centers, specialty hospitals sa iba't ibang lugar. As of December 2023, we have established 131 specialty centers nationwide. Nakapagbigay tayo ng 11.12 billion for 2024 para makapagpatayo pa tayo ng mga specialty centers sa iba't ibang lugar. Marami na rin tayong ginawa sa ilalim ng programang Doctors to the Barangays. Itong programa na ito ay in-expand to 204 out of 218 municipalities naman. Ang katumbas niyan ay 91% na ng municipalities ay masasabi nating may nag-aalaga na doktor. Kaya napaka-importante nito. Patuloy pa itong programang ito para naman masabi natin na talaga natin binabantayan ang kalusugan ng ating mga
In 2023, we neutralized 1,399 members of extremist groups and seized 1,751 firearms, significantly enhancing our internal security. These accomplishments underscore our steadfast commitment to peace and stability.
Mapag-usapan din po natin yung mga internal security threats. Ika nga, ang mga kasama rito ay ang ating mga kapulisan, ang ating mga sundalo, ang Department of National Defense. Last year, nakapag-neutralize tayo ng 1,399 members of communist and local terrorist groups. Nakakuha tayo ng 1,751 na firearms, na baril, through capture, confiscation, recovery, and sa mga surrender. Ngayon, may maaari na natin mai-report na wala nang active NPA guerrilla front as of December of 2023. Kaya patuloy natin ipaglalaban ito at maganda naman ang performance ng ating AFP, maganda naman ang performance ng ating mga pulis, at magandang koordinasyon ng SND, ng Department of National Defense. Lahat ng ating mga intelligence agencies ay silang nagtutulungan, kaya naman naging matagumpay itong ating kampanya kontra sa internal terrorism.